Okay, I just got something super exciting in today. Let's unbox Canyon, the all-in-one job platform. First impression, sleek interface, everything looks organized. I'm always hunting for ways to simplify job applications, so let's see if Canyon actually delivers. Here's the dashboard, super clean, nothing overwhelming. You can instantly see your job search progress. Let's try adding a new job application right now. Just click Add Job. It's that easy. You fill in the job details, company, deadline, done. Now, tracking is all in one place. No more messy spreadsheets or lost notes. I love that you can sort by application status. It's so satisfying to see everything at a glance. Let's check out the preparation tools next. There's a section for interview prep, super handy. You can store notes, questions, even practice answers. For someone like me, this is a game changer. I always forget what I researched about companies. Now it's all organized and accessible. Canyon also reminds you of upcoming deadlines. No more missing out on opportunities. Let's talk about the core features. First, the streamlined application process. Everything from applying to prepping is in one spot. Second, the tracking system is visual and intuitive. You literally see your progress instantly. Third, the prep tools are built right in. No need for separate apps or sticky notes. It's perfect for job seekers juggling multiple roles. Career changers will love the organization here. Students can track internships and first jobs easily. I genuinely wish I had this earlier in my career. Let's talk about the deal on AppSumo. Right now you can grab Canyon for a steal. It's honestly one of the best deals I've seen. If you're on a budget, this is a no-brainer. But let me be real, no tool is perfect. If you only apply for one job a year, maybe skip. But if you're actively searching, this is gold. I love how much time it saves me. No more scattered job info or missed interviews. The interface is beginner-friendly, not intimidating. I didn't need a tutorial to get started. Everything is self-explanatory and smooth. Honestly, it feels like a productivity boost. I'm already more confident about my job search. If you're a student, this will keep you organized. Career changers track every opportunity easily. Even seasoned job seekers will appreciate the structure. So, would I recommend Canyon? Absolutely, especially with the AppSumo deal right now. Don't wait. Deals like this don't last forever. Check out Canyon on AppSumo today. Take control of your job search journey. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts below.